to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Windows 10 is now celebrating 5 years since it was released to the public back in July 2015. Over the 5 years, Windows has been releasing new updates, starting with the original version of Windows, the 15.07 version, and as of the time of recording this video, the current version is the Windows 10 May 2020 update, aka version 2004. Hey, what's up good people, trust you're doing fine. I'm John and I take this opportunity to welcome you to this tutorial, Windows 10 May 2020 update features. The Windows 10 May 2020 update, aka version 2004, is the 9th major update to Windows 10. It carries the build number 190.41.388. The first preview was released to insiders who opted to this exclusive skip ahead link on February 14th, 2019. The update began rolling out on May 27th, 2020. Despite the version being allowed for a while, there could be some features that you might not have noticed and which might come in handy in your computing life. Which features are these? I'm glad you asked. This video is meant to address just that. Enough of the talk, let's jump right in.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
The new update saw the introduction of a chat-based UI for Cortana, and not just that, Cortana is now a standalone app that you can move around just as you would do with any other application. Despite that, Cortana still continues to work its magical way, but in a more user-friendly manner. However, this being a beta version, you would expect some few issues with it, but this is understood anyway. The latest version of Windows has also seen the change of icons from the old monochrome to colored icons. And if you are curious just like me, you may have noticed this change even before the arrival of Windows 10 May 2020 update. This is something Microsoft are still doing to all its icons, and all you need to do is to check updates more frequently. The search tool now comes with a feature that lets you screenshot an image and Bing will automatically search a similar image on the internet. Cool, isn't it? This feature is also available in Photos. Check it out. The calculator app has been allowed for a while. The app has not been left out either in this update. Apart from getting a new icon look, the calculator icon can now be displayed on top of other windows, just to keep you focused just in case you're working on a task that involves calculations. Upon getting this recent update, you will automatically receive the new Microsoft Edge with the new logo. The browser is just like Google Chrome and the experience could be the same, but the choice on which browser you choose to browse is left on you. Talking about apps, Microsoft will also suggest new apps that you can download from the Microsoft Store for free if you don't have them yet. This includes, for example, the WinZip for Microsoft, WhatsApp for desktop, and Polar, just to mention but a few. You will find links to download these apps in the Start menu tiles. Creating a virtual desktop is something that has been allowed for a while in Microsoft Windows. However, the desktop would just stick with their default names, desktop 1, desktop 2, blah blah blah, but not anymore. These updates come with a possibility of renaming your virtual desktop. Simply right click the desktop and select the name. Cool, isn't it? Try that next time when you create a virtual desktop. If you have been using PCs, you already know that you can make mouse settings in the control panel, but not anymore. You can now change your mouse settings in the Settings app. You can now change the color of the pointer including the inverter color. The size and the color of the cursor can now be changed from the newly introduced text cursor feature in the Settings app. So if you want to give your cursor that different look, you want to give your pointer that different color, then you may want to try this. It's now easier to manage notifications in the notification center with the new update. As you already know, notifications will appear with banners in the notification center. And now every notifications banner will come with a settings gear. This helps you to quickly manage the notification settings. The new version of Windows comes with a new set of emojis. Press the Windows logo plus full stop to sample the emojis. So the next time you create a message, spice it with a full spectrum of emojis and show them how you really feel. And that's it for this video. If you like this, consider subscribing for more. See you in the next one. Thank you.